What are evaluations, and how can they be effectively utilized in common scenarios? Typically, a hiring panel consists of multiple functional managers. During interviews, their insights and feedback often become scattered in email threads. TFY's evaluations feature addresses this issue by enabling the systematic logging of comments and observations tied to a candidate's application. To access the Evaluations tab, click on the candidate's profile and navigate to the Evaluations section. Select the drop-down menu to log comments. For instance, if you wish to note that a candidate is an effective communicator, you can record this as a comment, which will be visible to all members of the hiring panel. The entire hiring panel will have the capability to log similar comments and observations regarding this candidate. Additionally, there is a feature to record my recommendation concerning the candidate's application. Here, I can indicate whether the candidate strongly meets the hiring criteria, does not meet them, or falls somewhere in between. During the evaluation process, should I need to emphasize that a candidate strongly satisfies the hiring criteria, I will note this observation as a comment. After all members of the hiring panel have provided their observations and comments, TFY's AI applicant tracking system will compute an assessed score for the candidate, indicating the panel's consensus on the candidate's suitability for the position. So now you have two scores are being provided for every candidate. The first is the predicted success rate, a pre-screening score that indicates the likelihood of a candidate's success in a specific role. The second is the assessment score, which includes recommendations and evaluations from the hiring team. These scores enable you to make more informed decisions regarding the candidate's job application. Thank you.